Okay, so just a quick video showing you how to edit videos from your game file. So if you've recorded it on screen on your PC or you've recorded it from the PS4, so you should have a video file. So then you just create a new, this is the opening screen for Premiere Pro, create a new project. Usually let's just call it vid test or test. So it'll come up with this window. I'm in audio, so let's go to editing. So you want to make sure you're in editing mode. And really all I ever do is, so let's just say you've got a clip, video clip. I'll just drag the video clip into here. And this is your bin where it keeps all your clips, but don't worry about that. You don't really need to know about that. So this is this is your video channel at the top. This is your audio channel at the bottom. And so really the only thing you need to know is that you can use this razor tool here to cut. So you can cut out the bits you don't want. You can also, if you right click, you can unlink these two clips. So you can unlink your video and your audio if you want to just get rid of the audio, for instance, and put in your own audio. And then when you want to export, it will if you go to export media up here, then I would just always go match sequence settings. It's the easiest way, and you just click on this to find out where you want to save it to, and then you just hit export, and then what will happen is it'll take about 12 hours. It'll almost shut your computer down, and because it requires so much processing power, and then it'll also output a file which is usually about 90 gigs. But that aside, is probably the most efficient way of editing your videos. Okay, thanks.